Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody. Today guys again we'll take a look at the suddenly yesterday market has supported our thought, our analysis by the significant upside action. So on the weekend it was a bit not quite obvious, and we have not really significant confidence that this should happen. Yes, we saw the clear patterns that we have discussed in our weekly research. And one of them you can see on this chart. On the weekly chart we have the bullish grabber, and in general the recent behavior tells that market really could show the upward action at least to the former tops and the previous tops. It's around 1450, but potentially, taking into consideration the situation that we have on the monthly chart, market really could continue action even to the 118. So at least currently we can't totally exclude this possibility, and in the short-term perspective, until the bullish grabber on the weekly chart is valid, other words, until market stands above this low, the chances on the upward bounce still exist. And yesterday, as you can see, suddenly market has shown really significant upward acceleration. Currently it's difficult to say what the reason was for that. Maybe there's some sort of the profit taking, maybe some position contraction, because today, the current week will be really very informative, since we will get, today is the starting of the 2 days Fed meeting. On Thursday we will get the gross domestic product for second quarter first numbers. So that is promised to be really informative and important for the markets. That's why maybe this was the reason. Maybe some other thoughts, maybe some other reasons for that. But whatever it will be, whatever it is, we see the action that's in general supportive for our analysis that we have prepared in the weekly research. So the one difference that we have compared to what we have expected is that market hasn't shown the retracement on Monday right here, but has skyrocketed up right to the resistance area. Because in weekly research we have thought that market probably will show retracement and touch the weekly pivot point before the upward action will happen. But anyway, this doesn't change the core of our analysis, and we just will prepare the trading plan for the current situation. So what we have right now, on the daily chart, trend stands bullish. We see big Garters 222 buy patterns, initial thrust up, ABCD retracement that has created the agreement with the major fib support on the daily and weekly charts. 108.50 approximately is the major 618 fib support on the euro currency. And we have not just the fib support, but the agreement with this ABCD pattern. And in general, we have the Garters 222 pattern that could create potentially A, B, C bottom, D action that really could lead us to 118 sharp area. That would give us the pattern on the monthly chart, but this is quite another tune. So right now, market has hit the resistance. It's major 50% resistance of this most recent thrust down. It's 111.12 area. This is the favorite levels for the euro currency, since it likes most of all the 50% levels. Also, market has completed this harmonic swing. So you can see this retracement very harmonic in recent time. So upward action is almost equal. It's third time market shows retracement. Right now, we could count on some bounce, on some retracement that could let us to take the long position finally. Invalidation point for this setup will be, of course, the weekly grabber, and until it will hold, our setup will be valid. If market will turned down and taken out of these lows. In this case, we could say, well, setup has failed. But right now we will be watching for this retracement. Now let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we see here we have prepared our analysis on weekend. We think that market should test weekly pivot point and then move up, but this hasn't happened. You can see the market has skyrocketed right above the weekly pivot resistance 1, and this tells that this is not probably just some upward retracement on the bear trend, but this could become the new bullish trend since market exceeds weekly pivot resistance 1, and market even hasn't tested the weekly pivot point. That's really bullish. So what we see, market has completed this major for initial ABC bottom 1618 extension, say BCD pattern, and that's also an agreement, guys, because this is also the 50% resistance on the daily chart. So currently we could count on some retracement down. Well, we think since market is not at overbought on the daily chart, so as you can see, this market not overbought, we think that that's the level that we could watch for. It's 110 even. That's also previous top will be. So if market will show retracement right back down, we could think about the taking long position here, because this is the confluence support. This is not very small bounce down, so maybe we will be able to take the position here. So let's see what will happen. But the upward action has started on euro currency, and probably it could continue at least currently until we will have the grabber. We should work with this setup, and this really could be interesting in the nearest term. So just let's keep watching and wait for the retracement down. Currently situation develops absolutely logical. We do not see any floors or something curious in the current action. Market behaves as it should with respect to all the important levels, and the price action is very clear. So let's see how situation will turn. But right now, in the short-term perspective, next tactical level that we'll be watching for now in a row with our trading plan is the 110.